Hello students, in this video we are going to study about scalar triple product, and this is the most simplest of the topic and sure 4 mark question, so please do not miss it. So easily 4 marks available for you this chapter. So what is a scalar triple product? And scalar means it is related to dot product and the answer will be a number. Correct. Vector means vector triple product we don't have in syllabus. Suppose if we had vector triple product, the answer will be a vector. Remember, we did scalar product and vector product. Scalar product answer was number, vector product answer was a vector. So scalar triple product answer will be a number. Now, what is scalar triple product? A dot B cross C is called the scalar triple product. And how are the vectors A, B, C placed? From O, the vector A goes from O, vector B, OB goes from O, and vector C goes from O. Remember, I am telling this n number of times because whenever any calculation in vectors are done, all the vectors should be co-initial vectors. Now, this forms a parallelepiped. What is a parallelepiped? You have a cuboid, right? Cuboid is made up from a rectangle. Okay, base is a rectangle. But when you make it similar solid with the parallelogram, it is called the parallelepiped. And A dot B cross C represents volume of the parallelepiped. Volume of the parallelepiped. Now, when A, B, C are in different planes, like A, B can be in one plane, C is in some other plane, then only a solid will be formed. Please try to understand that. When A is here, B is here, C is also here, all are on the same plane means it will not form a solid. So A, B, C are in different planes, then only a solid will be formed. See a cube, see three edges of a cube from. I will draw a cube for you to make you understand. Is it three-dimensional? Looking three-dimensional for you? Yes. This and this are on the floor. Imagine a die kept on the floor. These two are on the touching the floor. But this is perpendicular to the floor. So for this, volume can be found. If this is also on this base only, you will not be able to find the volume. That is the reason when A dot B cross C is equal to 0, the vectors A, B, C are coplanar. Coplanar means they lie on the same plane. Does it sound something which you have learnt already? Yes, collinear you have learnt. Collinear means, linear means lie on a line. So here A, B, C are coplanar. Planar means lie on a plane. Plane means don't get confused. Just floor is a plane. Wall is a plane. One wall if you look at it is a plane. So this is the basic concept of scalar triple product, which is nothing but A dot B cross C. And it represents the volume of the parallelepiped. What is a parallelepiped? A cuboid, just slanting cuboid I can say. Okay. Or from a parallelogram, you make the solid, it's a parallelepiped. Okay. And when you coplanar. When A dot B cross C is 0, A, B, C are on the same plane. That is the reason when A dot B cross C is 0, the vectors A, B, C are coplanar. So there are 3 types of questions which can come for you in this. One is find the volume of the parallelepiped, which is a straightforward question. Second one is given the vectors are coplanar, find the value of lambda, something like that will come. That is second type. And the last one is 4 points are given. You are supposed to say 4 points lie on the plane. I already made it clear for you. If points are given, you will calculate the sides and then do the question. And one more they will ask you is just A plus B, B plus C, something like that. That it looks like coplanar is A. Okay, because I overwrote it was looking like E. So A plus B, B plus C, C plus A, find the value of it, the scalar triple product they will ask you. The easier way of writing scalar triple product is A, B, C. Inside a square bracket, you write it is called a scalar triple product. We also call it as box product. Okay. So this is the basic concept. These are the 4 questions, and one of these questions will be only coming in the exam, and it won't be twisted or anything. So anybody can score this 4 marks. Let us do each of the problems one by one. Okay. Go to page number 622. 622, question number 1. You are given A vector is equal to I minus 2j plus 3k. B vector is equal to 2i minus 3j plus k. And C vector is equal to 3i plus j minus 2k. You are asked to calculate box product ABC. Now, listen to me. Box product ABC is nothing but A dot B cross C. And in vectors, never interchange anything. Okay, ABC means it should be in that order. You cannot say ACB, BAC, nothing you can say. Okay, now, how do you calculate ABC? It is again the determinant. Vector A is in the first line. Vector B is in the second line, and vector C is in the third line. Just I have copied the coefficients. When you calculate this determinant value, it will give you the value of box product ABC. Determinant I am not calculating because you know it very well. So just I am writing the answer here. 1 into 6 minus 1 plus 2 into minus 4 minus 3 plus 3 into 2 plus 9, and this value is nothing but 5 minus 14 plus 33, which is equal to 24. You need not write any units now because they just asked you to do the box product. But if they ask you to do the volume of the parallelepiped, you will be writing cubic units. Don't miss this 4 marks. Very easy and very important, and short question. Okay, now we'll do one more time, 2 more questions. Okay, look at the third question. You are asked to find the value of lambda if the vectors I minus j plus k, 3i plus j plus 2k, and I plus lambda j minus 3k are coplanar. You are straight given these vectors are coplanar. Suppose if they had given points, you will be calculating the vectors. So these are the vectors. These vectors are coplanar. So what is the meaning? And you need to find the value of lambda. So do you understand? The scalar triple product of these 3 vectors is equal to 0. Again, it is a very simple question, as you know, and determinants you are very well thorough. You can complete the calculations. Plus 1 into minus 9 minus 2 plus 1 into 3 lambda minus 1. This is 0. So this is nothing but don't skip any step in the exam for 2 reasons, actually for 3 reasons. If you do not skip any step, you will not make any mistake, first thing. Number 2, checking becomes easy. If you skip steps and do, while checking also you should imagine those calculations and do. Another reason is it will be legible, and if there is a step mark, if you make mistake in the last step, you will get some marks in between. That is the reason. So there are 3 reasons we never skip steps. Okay. So lambda is 15. I just was giving you an idea while solving this because determinant you already know how to solve it. Okay. One more question. Show that the 4 points A, 4i plus 5j plus k If they give points, it is position vector. So it is nothing but OA is equal to, okay, and points. So B is minus J minus K, and OC is 3I plus 9J plus 4K, and the point D is minus 4I plus 4J plus 4K. So there are 4 points given to you. You are supposed to show that these 4 points are coplanar. Remember, points are given means vectors should be calculated. So how will be your parallelepiped now? I'll write quickly. O here, A here, B, C. Okay. No, O is the position vector. So I will name it as D for convenience. Okay. Or if you want it as ABCD, I will mark it as ABCD. Take the red color one. Okay. Have it as A, B, C, D. Okay, now you know I should do AB, AC, AD. Be very, very careful. It all should start from A. Previously, we wrote it as O, but because position vectors are given, O is somewhere placed here. OA like this, OB is like this, and OD is like this, and OC is like this. That's the reason I'm not writing that point as O. So I'm writing it as ABCD. Now, how do I do AB? You know already, AB is nothing but OB minus OA, final minus initial. So what is this OB minus OA is? I'm writing the answer because you already know how to do it. Minus 5J minus 2K. What is AC? AB, AC, AD. Be very careful. You cannot do AB, BC, CD and all. Always it should be starting from a point. AB, AC, AD. When it is named as O, it is OA, OB, OC. I am telling this repeatedly because you should concentrate. OC minus OA, which is nothing but minus I plus 4J plus 3K. And finally, AD. AD is final minus initial, which is nothing but minus 8I minus J plus 3K. Now I have calculated AB, AC, AD. I just want to check AB, AC, AD, the scalar triple product or the box product is equal to 0. Minus 4, minus 5, minus 2, second vector 4, 3, and the last one is minus 8, minus 1 and 3. So we are going to do the box product of this. Okay. So when you do the box product, this is nothing but minus 4 into 12 plus 3 plus 5 into minus 3 plus 24 minus 2 into 1 plus 32, which is equal to 0. So because the scalar triple product is 0, the vectors are coplanar. Hence, the points A, B, C, D are coplanar. A, B, C, D. So whenever what you should concentrate, when a question is given to you, you should concentrate whether it's a point or the side. Point means calculate the side and do. And whenever you do product, it should all start from a point. OA, OB, OC. Never forget that. Okay. We'll do one more question. Actually, all these questions are board questions, I can say, because Only these four of them, one of it is going to come in the paper for you. Okay, we'll do one more last question, and with this chapter is completed. Read the seventh question carefully in page number 622. Seventh question is, show that ABC are coplanar. You want to show ABC are coplanar. Means the box product or the scalar triple product of it is 0 if the box product of A plus B, B plus C, C plus A are coplanar. Read the question. You are supposed to show ABC are coplanar if A plus B, B plus C, C plus A are coplanar. When it is not in the form of IJK, please listen carefully. How are we going to do this? Very, very simple. Generally, students, when it comes in terms of letters, they get scared. But actually, nothing to get scared. It is very easy. B cross C. Sorry. B plus C. Because that is the second one. Cross C plus A. Never miss the dot and cross, because without that, I told you, there is no meaning. That is called as tensor, which you will study when you do engineering, not now. So, A plus B. And as I told you, we are going to just multiply as we usually multiply. B cross C, B cross A. Like that we multiply, remember, normal multiplication. B cross C plus B cross A plus C cross C, C cross A. Okay? C cross C plus C cross A. Now, you know C cross C is how much? Yes, 0. Because same vector means angle between them is 0. So C cross C is modulus of C into sine 0 into unit vector. And sine 0 is 0. So the net answer is 0. So I can leave that. Now I am going to multiply the remaining. Okay, I am starting from here. So A dot B cross C. Remember how am I writing? A dot B cross C. Wherever dot is there, I put it. Wherever cross is there, I put it. And secondly, I do never change the order. A, B, A. A, B, A. Same order. Then the last one is A dot C cross A. Plus B dot B cross C with the second one. Okay. I did B dot B cross C. I'm doing B dot B cross A plus B dot B cross A. Never change any order. Don't interchange dot and cross also. Then B dot C cross A. And you know, we are going to write it in terms of determinants now. And from the properties of determinants, you know, any two rows or columns are same, the value of the determinant is 0. So A, B, A means two rows are same. A vector we are going to copy. So this is 0, this is 0. Here B is there, so 0. Here also B and B is there, therefore 0. So what is remaining now? A dot B cross C. And now I want to bring this in terms of A dot B cross C. Okay. First I do one interchanging. And you know, if any two rows of a determinant are changed, the value of the determinant changes its sign. So first I am interchanging A and B. Okay. Listen carefully. Only A and B I am interchanging. So C stays in its place. Agree? Okay. Now I am going to interchange B and C. So A will remain in its own place. It does not change. Okay. So again, it becomes plus because I'm going to interchange a row. And what am I interchanging? B and C. So only that part you interchange. All others remain the same. Dot, cross, the other third letter which we did not change is going to remain same. So it is A dot B cross A, which is equal to A, B, C. So now you know when this is equal to 0, this will be equal to 0. That is your question. So if ABC box product is 0, you know ABC are coplanar. What is the question? Show that the vectors ABC are coplanar. So these three vectors are coplanar. Hope it is clear and very easy for you. So please do all the problems in exercise 10.5 plus the worked out examples, which will fetch you very easy 4 marks, and no twisted question can come in this. So we have completed vectors with this. Please practice all the book questions and the worked out examples on your own. I have solved a few of them. After that, I'm giving you a worksheet which contains only the board questions. Please solve those board questions and be ready for the board exam for vectors chapter. All the best, children.